Hi, thank you for visiting our 5-star alarm website. This video is to show you how to change the code on a Generation 4 Honeywell burglar alarm system. Now the code that's in there at the moment is 0123. So if I put 0123, that will turn the alarm system on. If I put the same code in again, 0123, that will turn it off. Now to change the code to a different code, let's just say 4444 to make things easy. It's quite simple. You press the program button, you put the old code in, which is 0123, then you press 81 and you put your new code in. So let's say 4444. Once you've done that, you just press the X button twice, and that code is now locked into the Honeywell alarm system. So if I put 4444 in now, that will turn it on, and 4444 will turn it off.